Today, we will show you how to start using your Garmin Rally Shimano SPD SL or Rally Loop KO power meter. In this video, we will use Rally Shimano SPD SL 200 for demonstration. Each rally pedal uses one CR 1/3 amp battery or two LR44 batteries. Before installing, you will need a 15mm open-ended wrench, grease, and Rally Shimano SPD SL 200. After you remove the old pedals, use a clean cloth to clean the crankcase. Then put a small amount of grease on the pedal flats. Screw the pedal onto the crank. Hold the spindle and rotate backward until the pedal is tightened. Use the wrench to make sure the pedal is secure. Repeat the process for the other pedal. Adjust the chain to rest on the largest chain ring and the smallest cassette. Rotate the crank arm and see if there is enough space between the pedal and the chain. We recommend 2mm or more between them. If the pedal rubs the chain, you can add a washer between the spindle and the crank arm. Repeat the process on the other pedal to make sure both sides are balanced. Next, we can start pairing with the cycling computer. We will use Phoenix 6 and H1030 Plus for demonstration at the same time. Now rotate the pedals to wake up the power meter. Select Rally. Set the crank length. The crank length usually printed on the inner or outer side of the crank arm. Follow the on-screen prompt to finish the settings. You can set up other settings in the power meter menu. You can turn on the Auto Zero feature. Calibration prompts. The default value of power phase peak is 50%. If you decrease the number of the percentage, the width of the power phase peak graphics will get thinner. When you pedal, you can see more clearly where your power concentrates, so you will know how to adjust your saddle and its height. You can also turn on cycling dynamics and torque effectiveness. In order to get more accurate power data, please calibrate every time before riding. Select Calibrate. Whether the result shows offset or torque, when it shows calibration successful, you can start riding. If you want to upgrade your Rally Shimano SPD SL 100 to dual sensors Rally Shimano SPD SL 200. First, please follow the previous installing steps to change the right rally pedal. Also, please remember its serial number. After installing, use Edge to pair. Rally Shimano SPD SL 200 can only pair with Edge. And that's it. Now you can start your cycling training.